Question 12. A clock loses 15 seconds every hour. It's set to the correct time at 7 a.m. on Monday. We need to find what it shows when the correct time is 7 p.m. on Wednesday, the same week. First, how much real time has passed? From 7 a.m. Monday to 7 a.m. Wednesday is 2 full days, which is 48 hours. Then, from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Wednesday is another 12 hours. So the total elapsed time is 60 hours. The clock loses 15 seconds each hour. Over 60 hours, it loses 60 times 15, which is 900 seconds. And 900 seconds is exactly 15 minutes. Because the clock is slow, it lags behind the real time. So when the correct time is 7 p.m., 1900 hours, the clock shows 15 minutes less, which is 1845. Well done. That's question 12 complete.